Hey guys, so I just got home from work not long ago, and you guys know I told you guys before that I was gonna surprise Siaosi for his 1 year here in Australia. So I've got a trip booked. I've got a trip.
My mommy.
I've got a trip booked away from Canberra for the weekend, and Siaosi has no idea. And I also got him a surprise, which you guys will see, but I'm going to try and prank him as well while we're gone. And the crappy thing is, I also want to tell you guys, is that my car's broken, so we have to go in Siaosi's car, Siaosi's little car, and I was thinking of hiring one, but that's not happening. So I don't really know what I'm going to do with my car. Apparently I've been running on 3 cylinders instead of 4. So please, if you are a mechanic, can you please comment down what I need to do? And anyways, I'm just so excited about this getaway. I'm taking him to Shell Harbour. And he has no idea. I've been telling him all week that we're just going to the movies and we're going to Floriade. And he's like, oh, that's boring, but he's going to be so excited. He's going to be so excited. Don't call me Vicky. Don't call me Vicky. Don't call me Vicky. What did I tell you guys? My name is not Vicky. My name is Tori.
Your name is Vicky. 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 And it rhymes with sticky.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Molly. I'm back with another video.
Girl, you ain't back with nothing, because this ain't not your video. This is my video.
I'm back with another video.
Anyways, guys, like I was saying, so we're going to go and fill up his car. He still has no idea. So my family are aware. I also got him a surprise gift, which you guys will see, but I'm going to try and prank him while we're away. And I think it's just going to be so excited. Because our broken camera actually came back, and he doesn't know. So every time I try to like prank him, he always goes looking for a camera. So if he sees this one right in front of him, that he's not going to suspect that we've got our other one back. So I'll be able to prank him. So happy. Except for the fact that my car is broken and we have to go in this car.
You want a drinky?
But the traction control light comes on, and it just happened suddenly, like yesterday. And then I took it for a service, right? And they just did nothing more than what we gave them the car in. This car is still in the same condition. All they did was check the oil and do this other crap. And we already done that stuff. We already checked the oil. So I paid like $300 for nothing. Hey guys, good morning. So it's a Saturday and we are on our way. Siaosi still has no idea.
Yep.
Yeah, it was a little bit of a kerfuffle because Siaosi had been double booked. He's a famous person. You're a popular person. You're very popular. His schedule was double booked, so obviously I won. Guys, Siaosi and I are having an argument because he believes that this is called Fiki. What is it? Filiki. This is called Filiki. This is called Kiliki. Click your hands. And he thinks like flick, like when you flick someone, he thinks that's Fiki. or fanga. Well, it might be fanga, but it's not fiki. It's filiki. Filiki. This is filiki. This is kiliki.
Oh, this is filiki. Filiki var. Filiki.
No, this is click. This is click. Like click your hands, and this is flick. He thinks this is. He thinks this is. He thinks this is. He thinks this is filiki. Like, what are you flicking? Filiki. You're not flicking anything. You're not flicking anything. You're clicking it. Flick means flick.
Oleh filiki me le ava. Ike kau kuon momongo filiki va pere momongo le le. Ai fiki. Oleh fiki me le. Arki fiki me le. Oyar filiki me le va. Fa mauan momongo lo filiki.
Oh, momongo your ass and filiki.
Ini do palangi file me ar me le. This is fiki karinga va. Fiki lo karinga.
Comment down below what you think it is, because I don't know what school you went to, boy, but here in Australia, this is clicking and that is flicking. Bye!
Hello guys, now we are finally here. I'm so proud to see this beautiful beach. We're here at Wollongong Beach. It's so beautiful, so much beautiful.
And shout out to Aussie's car for making it.
It's so beautiful and it's so nice.
Show them.
This is my first time here. Thank you so much, baby. You bring me here. This is my first time here, but this is so nice. Look. Whoa. This beach is here in Wollongong. This is so big. It's so cool. Woo.
The stand here is amazing and it's so
Hi,
beautiful.
everyone.
Do you like your surprise?
Yeah, this is my surprise from my wife. But this is so good and this is so nice. I'm so happy. This is my first time. This is my first time here. I'm so happy to see this beach. It's so cool and it's so big. Everyone's coming here for this holiday, but thank you for my surprise. Thank you, honey. Love you. I'm so happy to see this beach. It's so nice. Thank you for this beach. It's so much beautiful. Look at that guy. He's running like a dinosaur. He's running like a dinosaur. He's walking like a kangaroo.
Guys, I'm so happy that I brought Siaosi here. It's so beautiful. The beach is so nice. And he wants me to...
This is for you.
Thank you, honey. You're not allowed to pick their flowers. Oh my god. Okay, we'll take it home. Okay guys, so I actually remember the day that I got the approval from Siaosi's visa. I was at work on my lunch break with my good friend Erin, and I had been emailing immigration for so long, like every single week I was emailing them for an update. And basically I had emailed her that morning, the lady, my case officer, and I had emailed her and I asked her for an update on his application, and I was on my lunch break and I had been waiting. I called them, no answer, and so my lunch break was finishing and I had to get back to work. I was getting ready to go back out to the floor, and my phone rang. I got a notification, and I looked at the email. It was an email. Honey, my arm's getting sore. Can you hold it? And I looked at the email, and and the email was from my case officer. The heading of that email read approval visa or something like that, something approval. Oh my gosh, I gasped, like, I don't even know if that's a word, but I was like, oh! And my friend had already gone out to the floor. She was already back working, and someone else, one of my guy friends, was in the tea room at the time, and he was like, what happened, and I was like, oh my god. Then when I opened it and I read it, and it was like, Siaosi, you have been granted visa, blah blah blah. Oh my goodness, I cannot explain that feeling. Like, we had been apart for about 3 months from that time that I had gotten that visa, and when I read those words, I jumped up and down. I was screaming and I cried at work, and then I ran out, and like, there were people there, customers there. I ran out and I jumped up and down, and I was like to my friend Erin, oh my god. And I just kept jumping up and down. I think she was serving someone at the time. I can't even remember. And I can't even remember. I think she was serving someone. Anyways, I ran back to the tea room, just like jumping up and down, screaming, oh my god. And everyone was like running into the tea room, like, what happened to me? And Erin ran in. I don't know if she had a customer, but she left that customer. Erin ran into me, like, into the tea room with me, and she was hugging me, and I just was crying. And like, honestly, every single person I served that time afterwards was like, my customer service was like A++. Nothing in the world could have gotten me down. And within that day, like within 3 days of finding out that he got approved, I had already booked his fare, probably the next day, and he was coming the following Saturday. So I found out on a Wednesday, and he came on the Saturday, which is today, last year. But it would have been the 1st of October. So tomorrow will be his 1 year here in Australia, which is the 1st. I couldn't sleep at night. I got no sleep at night from the time that we had found out. And Siaosi was the same. Every time he just told me he couldn't sleep. Like, every night we were talking up until like early hours of the morning, knowing that we were going to see each other again, and he was coming here forever to live. And I just cannot explain that feeling, like that day that I had found out. And I called him straight away as soon as I found out, and I was like, babe, guess what? And he's like, what? And I was like, oh, I will get me so free. I mean, like, telling him, don't tell anyone of my family, because he was staying with my family at the time. And I was like, don't tell anyone in the house, but your visa got approved. And he was like, really? And I was like, yeah, it did. And like, after I just told him don't tell anyone, he shouts out to everybody, oh yes, my visa's approved, my visa's approved. And I was like, I just told you not to tell anyone.
And especially thanks to our viewers who subscribe and like to my channel.
Oh, is it your channel, is it?
To our channels. Thank you so much. We appreciate you guys, but we keep it up and bring more videos for you guys.
Okay guys, I think we're going to go home now.
Why? I miss this place.
Well, you didn't want to go earlier. Do you want to walk down there where the beach is?
For me, baby, no, please don't cry, because I know that you're hurting, because I feel it so deep inside, and when you smile it takes my breath away, hurts to know that you're slipping away, from the tears falling down my face.
This is such a beautiful place. If you haven't been here to Wollongong, definitely check it out. There's got a playground, a beach on the other side. They've got barbecue stuff. Yeah, I need to tell you something, honey. So you know how it's your 1 year surprise, right? Your surprise isn't finished yet, honey.
What's up?
Do you think we're going home?
Yeah.
We're not going home.
What?
not going home, babe. We go home on Monday. I'm not joking. I booked a hotel for us.
Where?
Until Monday. What did you say?
You lying, man.
I'm not. Why do you think I won't let you go and look at the boot? Because our bags are there. I packed your clothes.
Really?
I did. Are you so surprised?
Really happy. Thank you, honey.
Oh my gosh, you know what I could have done, guys? Stupid! I could have just told him, let's drive to this place. Apparently it's really nice. And then just drive there and then say we're staying there.
Yeah.
Oh, it doesn't matter. I still told you. Are you so happy, honey?
Yeah, I'm so
I'm so happy you're happy.
Where's that hotel?
In Shell Harbour.
Where?
Just rocked up to our resort. Shell Harbour Resort. Okay guys, we finally have been able to vlog. It's almost 10:30 at night. I've just finished posting that giveaway video and editing it, filming, so we didn't really get to vlog once we got here. I've been on the computer all night trying to get that out to you guys. And congratulations to the winners once again. And if you can, or if you haven't already, please send me your shirt sizes and your postal address and we'll get that sent out to you. Aussie is ready for bed.
Hi everyone.
Yeah, so, and I still had that old vlog that I got to get out, so I'm going to stay up. Aussie's probably going to fall asleep soon. But anyways, guys, we're going to call it a night and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Not sure what we have planned tomorrow. But we'll see you guys tomorrow.